In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write an equation in slope-intercept form of a line that is parallel to a given line that must pass through a specific point. In this sample question, in our graph here, we have this graph of the blue line, which represents the equation y equals negative 2x plus 1. What this question wants us to find is the equation of a line that has to pass through this ordered pair, 3, negative 2, that will be parallel to the blue line. So that green line that just appeared, that is the equation or the line that we're trying to write an equation for. So let's go back to what the given facts were. We were given a point. We were also given an equation of a line. And we were also told that we want to find a line that's parallel to this given line. Your prior knowledge should recall that parallel lines have the same slope. So therefore, by looking at this equation of the blue line, you should be able to identify what the slope is. The slope of this equation is negative 2. So now we have a slope of negative 2 and we have an ordered pair. Given those pieces of information, we should use point slope form first. Plug in your values of your slope of negative 2 and the ordered pair 3, negative 2. Now the instructions wanted us to write the equation in slope-intercept form. So we need to continue to use distributive property and isolate the variable y. Here's all the work, and let me go ahead and explain. Negative 2, you're going to distribute that to x as well as negative 3, and this is the product that you get right here, negative 2x plus 6. We need to try to isolate the variable y by itself, so we're going to do the inverse of adding 2, which is subtracting 2, and we're going to subtract 2 to both sides of this equation. After we subtract 2, our equation says y equals negative 2x plus 4. This equation is finally in slope-intercept form, and that represents this green line here. This green line is parallel to the blue line, and this green line passes through a specific ordered pair 3, negative 2. So again, this question was asking for the equation of the green line that will be parallel to the blue one, but it must pass through a specific ordered pair. In this case, it was 3, negative 2.